Let's take a look at the Wiha 8-piece Torx SoftFinish Screwdriver set. We have a set from T6 to T30. These are soft finish cushion grip handles. They have the sizes on the tops, precision machine tips, made in Germany. Let's take a closer look at the set.
Wiha SoftFinish cushion grip drivers feature ergonomic dual durometer handles molded directly to the tool steel for a permanent bond and durability, sized proportionate to driver blade for mechanical advantage, with parallel flats to prevent roll-off, and driver tip profiles labeled on the cap for easy identification. Engineered with Wiha premium quality tool steel for strength and durability, soft finish drivers are chrome-plated satin finished for corrosion protection and feature exact fit precision machine tips to reduce cam out. Wiha premium quality soft finish cushion grip drivers are designed and engineered by Wiha Germany, manufactured in Germany, and are backed by the Wiha no hassle guarantee.